Hi all, now let us see a new feature called Smart Actions. So in the chat box I am typing what is LLM? Explain in details. So basically what Smart Action allows you is one click summarizer, simple explain, as well as you can create PPTs out of the very own chart. Now I have typed in what is LLM and the system generated the response. Now if I click summarizer from one smart action, now you can see the magic. With an instant of seconds, the long form of text is summarized in a very neatly manner. And again, another tool is called Simple Explain. When I click this, so usually the system explains to like a 5-year-old response. You can see how the response is. Now when I click create executive desk, what it really means that it will generate the PPT from the chat and it will take only the bullet points and important steps. Now see, it has generated the PPT response. Now you can see it has given you the title and next very neatly manner in bullet points and each and everything up to 6 slides or even more based upon the chat allocation. This is how the Smart Action feature works. Summarizer, Simple Explain, as well as create an exclusive desk will create a PPT for you. Thank you.